everyone, welcome to SoFi Does It. Today we're making lemonade with my mommy.
Hello.
Let's go. First you need is some lemons, some ice,
A whisk.
a whisk, some cold water, some hot water, a knife, but make sure you ask a parent for that. Some sugar, some lemon juice,
And measuring spoons.
a measuring spoon, and this,
A lemon squeezer.
a lemon squeezer. Let's go.
So first we're gonna take some hot water. Make sure you have a parent help you with this because it does need to be really hot because it's gonna dissolve the sugar. So we're gonna add sugar to the hot water.
Okay. It's gonna taste so good. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be so great. Okay, there's a little bit more inside there.
Okay.
Some of it's
And
stuck.
then- That's okay. Put that in there. And now you're gonna stir it up.
Ooh, yummy lemonade.
And we wanna keep stirring it until it dissolves. So that means you won't see it anymore.
Yeah,
Keep mixing.
it's gonna be so good. You're gonna love it so, so much.
Okay, and then we're gonna add this hot water to this bigger bowl. Perfect. And then we're gonna put some cold water in there. Great. And
Now we're gonna put some lemon juice in.
that's right. I'm gonna squeeze 3 tablespoons.
A
Of
lemon
lemon
juice.
All right, you wanna add that?
Yes.
Perfect.
Wow, it looks so yummy.
And then mix it up really good. That smells good.
What is it? Oh yeah, that smells really good.
Okay,
I want to drink it right now.
we're gonna pour it in.
And now you take a lemon piece, you put it inside.
Beautiful. All right,
Yeah.
do you wanna take the first sip?
Yes.
How is it?
Yeah.
It's good? Can I try it?
Mhm.
Delicious.
Let's drink some more. Thank you for watching SoFi Does It, making lemonade with us with my mommy. Bye.